What if I told you that the rich play by an entirely different set of rules? Rules they never teach in school. Most people work hard, save a little, and hope to retire someday. But the wealthy? They build systems that print money while they sleep. So why doesn't everyone do this? Because the rich don't want you to know these secrets. But today, I'm breaking the silence. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 3 powerful financial secrets that separate the rich from the poor. And trust me, if you ignore these, you'll stay trapped in the same paycheck-to-paycheck cycle forever. Oh, and secret number 3? That's the one that turns ordinary people into millionaires. Let's get into it. Ever notice how the average person trades time for money? They work harder, hoping for a raise, but they're still stuck working. Meanwhile, the rich? They let money do the heavy lifting. They buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses that generate cash without their time. Think about it. If you stop working today, how long can you survive? A week? A month? Wealthy people? They could stop working forever. Here's where most people go wrong. They think working harder, getting richer. But that's the biggest lie ever sold. If hard work made people rich, construction workers would be billionaires. Instead, the rich focus on owning income-producing assets. So ask yourself, are you working for money, or is your money working for you? And speaking of money, most people are taught to save, keep money in a bank, play it safe. But saving alone? That's a guaranteed way to stay broke. Why? Inflation eats away your money every year. But you know what grows in value? Investments. The rich don't just save, they put their money to work in assets that appreciate. You ever hear someone say, I don't invest because it's risky? Here's a reality check. Not investing is the real risk. Imagine you had $10,000 in the bank 10 years ago. You'd still have $10,000 today. But if you invested that in the S&P 500, you'd have over $40,000. See the difference? And if that doesn't wake you up, wait until you hear this next secret. Here's something no one tells you. The rich don't use their own money to get richer. They use other people's money, OPM, bank loans, investors, credit, to buy assets that pay for themselves. Example, a poor person saves for years to buy a house. A rich person, they take out a loan, buy multiple properties, rent them out, and use the income to pay off the loan while keeping the profits. Same with business. Broke people try to start a business with their own money. The rich, they use investors' money and scale fast. The lesson? You don't need a ton of money to get rich. You need to know how to use money wisely. So, let me ask you, are you using your labor to make money, or are you using money to create more wealth? Because those who understand this, they never worry about money again. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor isn't luck, it's knowledge. Now that you know these secrets, you have 2 choices. 1, ignore them and stay stuck in the same cycle. 2, apply them and build real wealth. And if you really want to unlock financial freedom, you must understand the power of compounding. Luckily, I've got you covered. Click here to watch my video on compounding and discover how a small amount today can turn into millions. See you there.